All right, for the median, median is really easy to remember. Median always means the middle number. The middle number of a set of data points. Very simple. So you can go ahead and as soon as you're done there, go ahead and highlight the word median. And then I want you to highlight where it says middle number. Okay, very simple. The way I remember it is on the freeway, that middle wall in between the lanes is called a median. Okay, so how do we find the median? Step 1, first thing you're going to do is order your numbers. Okay, order the data points. If you notice, this is going to be the same step every time. We're going to order the data points. Okay, so for instance, if I am given data points 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, and I want to put these in order from least to greatest, so I'll go ahead and say, okay, my 1 goes first. I have 1, 2, 3 2s, and I have a 3. So now they're in order. All right, let's go to step number 2. Step number 2 is find the middle number. All right, so, or I'm going to say middle data point. Find the middle data point. So when we're finding the middle data point, it's very simple. We can go from one end to the other by simply crossing one out here and one out here. Then one out here and one out here. And my middle number is 2. So in this case, my median equals 2. Now let's say that we have an even amount of numbers. So if I gave you something like this, if I gave you a 1, a 3, 2 5s, 2 8s, I'm sorry, a 6, 2 8s, and a 9. Okay, so if I give you something like that and we begin to cross them out and we say, okay, I have 1 here, 1 here, then 1 here and 1 here, 1 here and 1 here. Notice I have 2 middle numbers. So how do I find the median there? Well, for this, you need one extra step. Before you can actually just pick a middle number, you have to figure out what's between 5 and 6. So you add 5 plus 6, which gives me 11. And then you always divide by 2. You cut it in half. And that's simply your in and out. So in this case, my median, once I divide it out, is 5.5. So now you know the 2 different ways to find the median.